This is Code.org. I'm working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 5, Building App Clicker Game, Part 3, Changing Elements on Screen. There's another way to display text in your app besides console log and write. There's a command called setText, which will change the text of a component on your screen given its ID. This is a very powerful technique and one that you will use a lot. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so they're grabbing it, pulling it, we pick the ID, got it. Do this, run the code in the app, run. Look at the code for the up arrow event handler and how it sets the text label. Up arrow, text label, count display. So on click, I guess, modify the code. So it detects it, right? Modify the code when the down arrow is clicked, set the text label to something else. And it's to nothing. Goal. Your only goal is to successfully use set text in this example. So I'm going to put it, because this is down arrow, right, on event. This is looking or listening for an event on down button. And this is ID, I know, is down button, right? ID down button. Click. So when down button clicked, we are going to set text to count display to hello world. Run. Up arrow. Hello world. Up arrow. Ta-da! Awesome. So I just need to add that. Let's keep going.